Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix headset microphone not working in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Audio. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Recording tab, enable headset microphone, enable and set as default. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select Headset Microphone, click Properties, click Levels tab, change to Maximum. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Turn on both microphone access and let apps access your microphone. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update audio device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.